Pretty Geeks, and welcome to a new FabFitFun unboxing. Now, it has been a minute or a couple of months since we have hung out together, because I took a break, and I was looking at this box, and I was thinking I really wanted to open it with y'all. I have still been getting these boxes regularly, and I have just been taking the time to open them by myself and just experience them by myself in my lonesome, just having that moment. And I have missed sharing them with y'all. So this month I did get a couple of the extras by myself. I got that Kate Somerville, that chemical peel. I always forget what it's called, but it's like that green goop that makes my skin feel like baby booty, and I love it. And I got the mug. And I love that mug kit with the self-heating mug, or not self-heating mug because it's plug-in. Also love it. It's one that was in the All True as well. I don't know if anyone got that one yet, because I know there's been a lot of shipping issues with the All True. I signed up for All True as well to see how that one goes, because I know that's one I used to get. I signed up for that one as well, but they are getting more delays because I still have not gotten it. And it's just months behind, and that's all right. So I did love the mug as well. I love that it has the little button, so the mug has to be on it, so it will never just be hot and going. I did also get the tablet holder, the stoneware tablet holder slash utensil holder. I'm not going to use it for utensils. I'm going to use it to put flowers in because it's going to be beautiful. But let's jump right in. We have our little magazine. I love that they went back to magazines again. And oh, it's nice. I love when they use a combination of actual legitimate like magazine sort of content plus include, oh, they have little cards. Plus include some of the things that are actually in the box, so it's not just all like advertisements. Say we've got a coupon. So here's $15 off your own box. Can you read the little code? Can you read the little code? There we go. It says pass it on to a friend. You are all my friends. Go ahead and grab the code. It's for you because I love you. Let's see. And stickers. Let the good times roll. So we've got some happy stickers. I love me some stickers. They're so cute. And then we've got paper. I'm going to set on my little dog over here. Let's see. We've got another HelloFresh coupon. I always go back and forth on these meal deals. Some days I feel like they are going so well and I love them. And other times I'm like, I could do better. I could shop for myself. Am I going to shop for myself? Probably not. Am I going to put these meals together? Probably not. Let's see. So I am an annual subscriber, so I do get to pick out a good portion of everything that's in my box. I don't tend to remember what I pick out in my box, and who's to say that everything is always on the up and up. But let's see. So this was the Ico Kit. So a shadow stick with sharpener. Ooh. Oh, that is creamier. Good, 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 good. So kind of the nudie shade. And it does blend quite a bit, but it's got a nice little shimmer to it. And oh, it started off a little crumbly, but not too much. Nice. It does show up a little bit darker in person. Oop, and it smudges right away. It just wipes right off. So it's one that you gotta blend pretty delicately. And you might want to set it with powder, especially if you are someone that touches their eyes a lot. I like that it comes with a sharpener. I didn't see that on the listing because it is, you know, it's a chunky pencil. So if you don't have your own sharpener, it's not really a big deal, because it came with its own. So that's all right. Let's see. Oh, I was kind of intrigued about these. So we've got the facial dry brush. I don't know if I'm going to use it as a dry brush because smarter, not harder. My skin became kind of sensitive just to textures, but not to like chemical stuff, but it is pretty soft. Oh, it's shedding a little bit here, but it's not bad. Oh, I was worried it was gonna feel worse. It's a bit textury, but it feels kind of nice. I like it. It's got a pretty nice ergonomic handle. It looked like it was going to be pretty straight in the picture, but like she's got a little bit of a humpback, you know, like she got to see a chiropractor or go to PT or something. So it says, for best results, incorporate into your AM routine. Always used on dry, freshly cleansed skin. Wetting this brush will damage the integrity and quality. Oh, good to know, because I was planning on using it as just to wash my face, so I will not do that then. That's a lie. I probably will anyway, and just have to throw it out, which is unfortunate because I just wanted a brush to wash my face with. Anyway, use the brush in a sweeping downward motion against the forehead, down the nose and cheeks, and outward strokes, stimulating the lymphatic pathways and encouraging drainage of puffiness and to exfoliate. Okay, follow the cleansing and moisturizing routine to restore the skin after a facial workout. Wow. I mean, I barely work out as it is. I don't know about a facial workout, but we'll work on that. Oh, you know, I was just looking for a lip oil or a balm today. So luckily, got the Winky Lux Flip Oil, and the packaging is absolutely beautiful. I love the metallics on here. And oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. It's got a little bit of shimmer to it. It has, oh, there's stars. I thought there were just little chunkies of gold in there, but they're actually like little stars. Ooh. It's like a buttercream frosting. And it just says it's called In the Stars for its name. And it doesn't have a flavor. And let's see. A little bit sticky, but not terrible. Not bad. It doesn't really have much of a flavor at all, so I'm pretty pleased with it. Let's see, I got the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. I feel like now that I have the packaging for this one, that I've gotten this before. So I'm going to kind of carefully open this up. Have I gotten this? I haven't. No. Okay. I think I've just gotten something else from this brand because I think I have it in green. I don't have the purple. So it's kind of cool. It looks almost like a jelly in there, doesn't it? Interesting. Anyway. Yeah. So let's see how we use this. Apply to clean skin. Leave on for 3 or more minutes and then rinse. You can use it all over or as a spot treatment. Apply 1 to 3 times daily or as needed. It resurfaces, soothes, hydrates, refines, and clarifies. All right, enzymes. I'm intrigued. Plant-based, holistic, vegan, fair source, sustainable, carbon neutral, plastic negative, with no added gluten, made in small batches, and owned by women. So love it. Really pretty packaging. Like that very much. What do we have? Oh, we've got a wine coupon. I don't drink. But we've got that now. Oh, I was so intrigued by this. I went back and forth on this one option. And I went with this weird Stabby Pillow, which I thought looked a lot bigger, but oh, it's so stabby! And it's very, oh, it started off feeling very natural scented, and it's already kind of dissipated. So like gently, naturally scented. But you can kind of smell the plastic of it now too. But it's got like the buckwheat in it. It's like a little bitty yoga pillow. but it's supposed to be really nice and stimulating and provide some good acupressure for your neck and your back. With this, it also includes a free 3-month subscription to the Yoga Wake Up app, which was kind of neat because it specifically said that you can sign up for it and cancel right away, and it won't shut off won't close out your subscription. So I know that that's been a trouble in the past with you sign up for it and then you try to cancel right away, and it'll be like, oh, well, now you're done. Or, you sign up for it, and if you forget to cancel it within whatever time period, then all of a sudden you're paying like $100. But it feels pokey to the hands, but my head likes it. So I'll give that a try. It feels kind of cool on my skull. And I'll add the app too. I like that there are some really short sessions as well. Some nice mindfulness sessions for any time of day, plus bed yoga. I read that there was some different bed yoga options, and I can kind of dig the idea, like 5 to 15 minutes, just any time of the day, and try to work that into our routine and being more mindful. Next up, we have the whipped argan oil body butter. And as much as I do love to make my own body care things, I really just have not had the time to do so lately. I do work a full-time job. I do still own my own business. I still work 2 part-time jobs. I am in school full-time. I ain't got time. So when I saw this as an option, I thought, let's give it a go. And Ooh. I hope I caught that because it like pulled. Ooh. It's got a citrus scent. What's it called? It's just called sweet citrus. Okay. It like pulled back like it did not want to let go. But sweet citrus is about all I can think to describe it. It is thick, almost like frosting. And it smells so good. Not too sticky. Let's see how fast that kind of rubs in. That does feel really nice. And I am in Wisconsin. It is so cold right now. We are just starting to warm up. We're about to have like a couple sweltering days. It's going to get into the 40s after we're getting over some Arctic weather, which is ridiculous. It has been in the negative 20s the last couple of days. So it's going to be absolutely ridiculous. Our weather is going to change by like 60 freaking degrees, which is ridiculous. So my joints are angry, my skin is angry. So this could not have come at a better time, because I've been going back and forth between the shower, trying to ease my joints, and I'm really pleased with that. My skin already feels so soft, and there is absolutely no stickiness to it. And even across like my fingertips themselves, there's no oiliness to it at all, even as like grippy and grabby as that was. I'm really pleased with this. And that was the Josie Maran whipped argan oil. I'm not reading these very well. I'm so sorry. This has been such a long time. Synthetic, fragrance-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, organic, vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, recyclable, formaldehyde-free, phthalate-free. Just awesomeness. Okay. Oh, I did get more of the fit options. I'm really so glad that they are adding more fit back lately. So I thought these stretch bands were really cool. I I'm fairly certain that I'm going to whack the potatoes out of myself with this thing. I know I'm going to look redonkulous, but I have been cleared to do gentle workouts after breaking a couple of vertebrae in my back. I've had back surgery, and it has been a process. So I am looking forward to getting better and doing better. And I've been doing a lot with different stretch bands, and I just thought this wonky donkey flower spider contraption was just what I needed to smack myself in the face with a few times. And it's really neat. I was a little bit worried that I'm going to pinch myself in the fingers, but the material is really soft, and I liked it. So you can do it just with your hands. You can do a combination of hands and feet. And it's a really neat setup. It's not too much resistance, but I feel like it's got a nice amount of natural resistance to it. And then it did also come with a ball that needs to be blown up as well. I'll have to take that downstairs and do so as well. I feel like that's one that my daughter's going to immediately steal. And the daisy bucket hat. So these ones came in a set. So let me get these out of the package because I was on the fence, but I grabbed them. So this is the Alice and Olive small duffel bag. It's not very huge at all. I feel like it's more of like the more commonly sold sizes for like a women's gym duffel, but not like the men's or like the hardcore gym duffel. You could use it like a work bag. It would be a good overnight bag. It has a removable shoulder strap that is reinforced. It is very nice quality. It has let's see, it's got a side pocket. I see. It has the tabs that can snap down or up. It's got another side pocket. No pockets on these other outsides though. And let's check the inside. I didn't take everything apart yet. And nice roomy interior, no dividers, and one inner pocket inside the lining. But it does have a really nice thick lining, nothing that you're going to see through. It is fully stitched down. So that's really nice and sturdy. I like that. So I think that'll make a really good weekender. You can use it as a carry-on. I think that's handy. And I have been wanting to see if I look decent in a bucket hat because I have not worn one literally since the 90s, and they were my jam. I dig it. This works. It might not work, but it works. And I'll take it. So, this is everything. That's everything. That's what I've got for y'all. Yep. I love you all so much. Thanks for tuning in. Yep. Bye-bye.